G'day regulators, we are back. We got the Dmax in today again. This time we got these weather strips just worn out on it. It is the first of its shape and it does live a lot out in the sun. So yeah, this one here, it's just these weather strips. It's totally just sunk into the window. Little piece here cut off to stop rubbing on the paint. It's a pretty simple process and I'll just show you how it's done. That way, instead of you potentially pulling it apart and losing it and breaking something, you can see how it's done. You can order the spare ones and get into it. It is super simple, right? So you just have this piece here pulled back in to hold it into place. If you just slide it in towards the mirror, it lets you pull up. And once it's out, you just pull out and you just reverse that process to put the newie in. So the newies come in these little plastic sleeves. So flip this over, you can see here, this is separating, this is all cracking up, it's not having a good time. All right, so in reverse here, get the slide going, tucked under the mirror bracket. That's it, and just slide it over like that. Simple as. Now for the back, and for the other side, you know, it's just a mirror process. Right. Okay, you have to make sure that the ends of these rubbers are clipped onto these corners. These back ones are a little bit more tricky, you have to be a bit more pedantic with them. But yeah, I'll just throw it on here first and then sort of follow it along. Right, yep, so once you get your rubbers clipped in both sides, I just started one side, got it where you want it and just press it down. It's pretty tight in there from the glass, I'm pretty sure. But yeah, you just line it up. You can center it if you push it over. And I got it right where I need it, so that's good. Alrighty, I just went up and down with the windows a few times to check everything out. And this is the aftermath. Not too good. I noticed the back doors would actually fill up with a bit of water in the rain. So that shouldn't happen anymore. Yeah, they have a little drain here and it was all damp, dripping out. Alright, hope that was helpful. Thanks for watching.